Hi everyone, welcome back to a new RPG framework tutorial. In this video, we'll be adding a robust save system for your inventory in Unreal Engine. You'll learn how to save and load items, stack counts, and equipped weapons, ensuring that your player's progress is always preserved. By the end, your game will support persistent inventory data, giving players a seamless and reliable experience. Let's jump in. First, go to Inventory folder. Create new save game blueprint. Name it SG Inventory. Add new variable. For type, select RPG Inventory Item Array. Name it Items. Now open Inventory Actor component. Create new custom event. Name it Save Inventory. Add new variable of type SG Inventory. In Save Inventory event, first we need to validate this variable. If it is not valid, this means that we need to create new save game object. On Save Inventory, we should copy Items Array from Inventory component to Items Array in Inventory Save Game object. Then we should save inventory to disk using async save game to slot function. Additionally, you can promote slot name to a variable. Now let's create new event for loading inventory data. When data from game slot is loaded, we should set inventory items based on items we found in save game object. To be able to set items array, we need to mark this property as blueprint read write. Right now it is defined as blueprint read only, which prevents setting it in inventory component blueprint. Now call load inventory event on begin play. Also, make sure to call save inventory event when item is added and removed to the inventory. For this purpose, we will use on item added and on item removed events. Now let's test this. Run game and pick up some items. Then restart game and inspect inventory. You should be able to see all items you collected during previous run. Also, when you use some item from the inventory, data will be saved on disk. Now let's fix loading equipped weapons. We should call save inventory event write after handle weapon change function and event use item. Then create new function. Name it load equipped weapons. In this function, we should iterate through inventory items to find all equipped weapons and attach it to the component owner. We can do this by simply calling function use item from weapon actor. As you remember, in last tutorial we utilized this function in weapon actor for equipping weapons. At the end, call load equipped weapons function at the end of load inventory event. Let's try this. Pick up some weapons and equip it. When you restart game, weapons should be attached to the player. Also, weapon abilities should be granted. When you change some weapon, data will be saved and on next load correct weapon will be equipped. Let's see how to save state of treasury chest actor. Now you can loot same chest each time you restart the game. Create new save game blueprint. Name it SG, Looted Actors. Add one variable. For type, use array of strings. We will use this variable to store unique identifiers of the looted actors. Open Loot Actor Base Blueprint. Add new custom event. Name it Load State. Here we will simply load game from predefined slot name. I will use looted actors for slot name. Additionally, we should promote save game object to new variable for future usage. We can use function getObjectName to get unique name per object instance. Now create new event for saving state. At the end, we need to load actor's state on event begin play. Also, make sure to save object state when loot is finished. Additionally, you can introduce new variable to control if actor's state should be persisted after loot is finished. I will set default value for this parameter to false. Then open chest blueprint and set save state on loot to true. Let's test this. Go to the chest and loot it. Then restart game and try to loot it again. You should now be able to do that. You can find all saved game files if you open project folder. Find saved folder. Here you should see saved game folder and in it all saved game files. That's a wrap on adding a save system to your inventory in Unreal Engine. Now your game is one step closer to feeling like a complete, polished experience, allowing players to keep their hard-earned loot and progress safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Big thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this content possible. See you in the next tutorial.